Hi, it's Richard Jacobs, Speakeasy Marketing. Today I'm going to go over a really important concept. It's what your website looks like in Google. Okay? A lot of attorneys think the home page of their website is the most important part of their site. That's where everyone goes to. It has to look beautiful. But they ignore all the other pages of their site. And what happens on other pages? Well, there could be an attorney profile. There could be an article on DUI or bankruptcy or child custody, whatever it is. But what happens is 95% of all visitors to your site, maybe more, will not hit your home page as the first page. They will hit one or more of the other pages of your site. Now I'm going to use the concept of your lungs to show you. This is what your website looks like in Google. Okay? See this picture of the lungs? You see how it starts out with the main branch, which is like your home page, and then they branch out into tiny little alveoli. And what this does is, just like the lungs, which have a surface area of a football field, your website looks like this. And your website's job is to get visitors. Each of the pages of your website is an alveoli, is one little hair of these lungs. And it's exposed to people searching in Google. And what it's exposed to are keywords that are related to the area it's exposed to. So let's say you do criminal defense. You want to have articles on your website that are related to theft crimes, sex crimes, DUI, traffic tickets, robbery, assault, as many areas of your practice as you can. And then for each of those areas, you want to have sub-articles that talk about particular issues within each of those areas. I'm going to take DUI. It's easiest for me to speak about. You want to have not just an article on DUI, but first, second, third DUI, penalties, ignition interlocks, refusing breath tests, field sobriety tests, driving under alcohol suspension. I mean, every permutation you can think about the subject area. And what you're doing when you create a healthy website that's able to take in air or take in Google searches and do better, like a healthy set of lungs, you want to have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pages out there, just like a lung. And each page of your site will attract Google searches, just like the lung attracts air in the area that that page on the website talks about. So I want you again to close your eyes or Google a picture of lungs and look at it. And then go back and look at your website and realize that's what your website looks like in Google. So this tells us a healthy website will have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of branches and alveoli, hundreds of pages with different articles on them. An unhealthy website will focus on just trying to get on the first page of Google for a few keywords. It'll look like a collapsed lung with just one major, pulmonary part going into it and no branches, no filaments. And that's unhealthy lung. That's an unhealthy website. The lung can't take in air. The website can't take in searchers. It's not going to get you business. So I really want you to think about this concept and look at your website in a different way. Now, the last part of this, what makes it important is when you see how any part of the lung can take in air, any part of your website can be landed on in a Google search. So remember we talked about the homepage looking beautiful and the article pages or the contact us page or all those other pages looking like crap? Well, bad idea. Because if someone lands on a page of your site and it's talking about Chapter 13 bankruptcy provisions, the searcher wants to know within 1 or 2 seconds, am I in the right place? Do you have information that I Googled that matches what's on your site? If I Googled and looked for something very specific, like can I keep my house in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and I land on a page of your site, not the home page, but a page of your site that specifically talks about that, my brain will say, great, I'm in the right place, and I'll spend a few seconds on your site at least, looking, reading, and I'm probably going to call you. If not, I'm just going to click that back button and leave. So that's why, again, think of your lungs, think of the roots of the tree, think of these pictures when you think about your website. You'll have a different perspective, and you'll know how to SEO it a lot better. Take care.